Hello everybody, I'm Dhanushri and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm wearing these brown smoky eyes and I wanted to pair them with nude lipsticks. Now the thing is that nude lipsticks are so much in trend these days. They look amazing with brown smoky eyes or black smoky eyes or any dark eyeshadow that you wear. But my problem is that I love peachy pink sort of nudes, but I have hyperpigmented lips and I also have medium skin tone. So the thing is, peachy nudes don't really suit me as much. They look better with fair skin, on fair people. So but I still wanted to wear these two shades that I recently bought. So I bought Cinnamon Crunch and Totes Natural. These are from Nykaa So Matte collection. I'm going to show you the swatches here. Now this one is Totes Natural. I hope you can see. This is how Totes Natural looks like. This is more on the warmer side. And the next one is Cinnamon Crunch. Cinnamon Crunch is more on the pinkish, peachy nude side. And this one is more on the warmer side. This one is Cinnamon Crunch, this one is Totes Natural. This is how Totes Natural looks on me. And this is how Cinnamon Crunch looks on me. Now these shades don't look as bad, they look pretty fine, but I just feel that they don't define my lips as much. They sometimes wash me out a little bit. So, and also, if you also face the same issue, that if you have a lighter lipstick shade at home and you can't wear it, then I'm going to show you a trick with which you can work out any lighter nude on your face. So keep watching. So I'm taking this Faces Canada Ultime Pro Matte Crayon. This is Fiery Brown number 28. And I'm going to first outline my lips with it. You can use any lip liner, dark lip liner, maroon lip liner, or you can use any maroon lipstick for that matter. Just use a lipstick brush and just use a lip brush and take a little bit of a lipstick and outline your lips. After outlining your lips, now I'm going to take this color Cinnamon Crunch and I'm going to fill it in the gaps. Now, although the lips are defined, you can see a huge difference between the lip lining and the lipstick. So to fix that, what I do is that I just press my lips quite a few number of times and I create sort of an ombre effect. I try to smudge this lining a little bit. You can see this trick not only lets you wear lighter nude lipstick, it also lets you, it also makes your lips look bigger, plump, and it also defines your lips really nicely, and it creates a beautiful ombre effect on your lips, which is like lighter shade in the middle and darker shades near the edges. I absolutely love this, and I think I'm going to wear this combination more often. Let me know if this trick helped you in letting you wear the lighter nude lipsticks, the peachy nudes, or whatever light shade that you have. And if you are new and if you have not subscribed, even if you're old and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel because I make new videos every single week. And guys, we are very close to 200 subscribers, so please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos as the new videos are coming up shortly. So stay tuned. Bye.